Shaylin's splashing in his bath. He splashes himself.
Oh man. Okay. Easy does it.
He's giving Daddy a bath too.
Seriously. You like that? Oh boy. Knocking the cup right out of my hand. Oh my god.
You're gonna have to change your outfit, I'm telling you.
Okay, I need some soap. You ready? And wash your belly. Oop. Oh. Oh.
He got me in the eye last
Oh.
time.
Shaylin.
Get under his neck, honey.
Seriously, dude? Okay, okay.
He loves water.
Ooh. You're a strong little boy. Is that hair growing into your armpits? Okay. We're gonna have to move it into the bathtub.
We are.
This isn't working anymore. Whoa. Okay, ready? Clean your feet, your toes.
He looks so big.
Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to mop the floor. Oh wow, there's so much water down there. Clean the other foot. Can I get between your toes? And your leg.
Get between the rolls and the legs. And in the arms.
And the belly button. Oh. Oh God. Okay. Somebody figured out how to splash. Okay, well. Let's do his back.